So in this video, we will be teaching you how to install a Puroflo air gap drinking water faucet. The installation process for other brands of drinking water faucets should generally be the same, but in this video, we are using the Puroflo brand. The first thing you'll need before you start installing the faucet is a hole near your sink. A sink sprayer may be disconnected and used for faucet installation, or you can drill your own hole. When drilling, please keep in mind that protective eyewear is strongly suggested. A 1 1/4 inch hole is required for air gap faucets. If you have a porcelain surface, use a carbide tip drill. If you have a stainless steel surface, use a chassis, punch, or a hole saw. Inside the Purflo box, you will receive the metal washer, the lock washer, the hex nut, the rubber washer, the brass nut, the sleeve, the olive, and the air gap washer. As you can see, Puroflo air gap faucets typically already have the base plate attached, so you don't need to worry about attaching it. The first step in the actual installation process is attaching the rubber washer under your base plate. Then simply slide the faucet through the sprayer hole or the hole that you drilled. Now take the metal washer and slide it up to the underside of the hole. Then take the air gap washer and slide it up as well. Next, take your lock washer and slide that under the air gap washer. Finally, take your hex nut and tighten it all the way up to the lock washer. Finally, slide the brass nut and the olive onto the outside of the tubing and then fit the sleeve into one end of the tubing. Connect the end of the tubing that has the sleeve with the end of the faucet, making sure that the tubing fits all the way in. Then, slide the olive and the brass nut up and secure the nut. Another way to connect the tubing and the faucet is with a quick connect fitting. Simply screw one end of the fitting onto the faucet and then attach the tubing to the other end of the fitting. You may want to use Teflon tape if you choose to connect the fitting this way.